have all of our top boards on. We've measured. We're gonna try to place some of our first ijoist. We're gonna see how it goes because I don't know how we're gonna do it.
The purpose of the joist is to provide a structure for the next level, whether that's just something to fasten your ceiling sheetrock to, or holding insulation, or providing a floor for attic storage, or if you're doing a living space up there, joists are a must. There are three options for joists, three main options. You have wooden ijoist, trusses, and solid lumber. We went with engineered wooden ijoist because we have some long spans on the first level that we wanted to keep it an open space, and we wanted the load on the second level to be completely livable, to hold bedrooms, bathrooms, living spaces, things like that. Some of our spans are up to 40 foot. Goes from one side of the house to the other side of the house. The spacing is 24-inch on center everywhere except for the living and kitchen area. Because the span is so long in those spaces, we had to go 12-inch on center. Rim board is pretty much a thick OSB. It's the kind we have is 1.1/8" thick OSB. It's ripped to the same width as our ijoist, which is 14 inches. It goes along the outside of the perimeter of the house. It also goes on the ends of the ijoist. So anywhere where the ijoist lands, it needs to fasten to some rim board to keep it stable.